Okay, so once you've logged into your Khan Academy account, what I'd like you to do is pick a username. But I don't want you to pick something that I won't recognize. So once we click, see up here where you've got your S3000 number, here's your little pet rock. You can actually change your avatar as well, which I will get into. But pick your username, and you're gonna copy this, or you can actually put your name here in front of this, whatever your name is, but you can copy it, right click, and then you can, copy it, right click, copy, and then you can paste it here. And you can put your first name in front of either of these, okay? And then, just save this for a second. You want to make sure you save it with the blue button, okay? But I'm not going to put, actually I will put, there we go. And it's going to ask us to continue with Google. Yep, we're good. Okay. It's going to take me a second. Saving, perfect. Okay. So now I know exactly whose account this is, and then I can go and I can check into it. So if I want to change the avatar, if I click on my little pet rock, see there's a whole bunch of different ones that I can choose. So I'm going to let this particular student choose. Now here's a little incentive. You see these guys that are super cool and they have locks attached to them? If you do your work, you earn points. So every 10,000 points, you unlock a new avatar. Okay, so a little bit of incentive to do your work, and then you can change it to any of these once you've reached that certain goal. Okay, so something kind of cool, cool feature. And preview your avatar. The one that you have right now, if you like him, but you just want, or her, or you just want to change the look of her or him, you can do that as well. So I'm going to put this back to the original one, and click out of here, and there we go. Okay, so if you want to change your avatar, you're welcome to, but please add either your initials or put your name in this. So this way, when I go back, I can see who's done the work. Otherwise, all I see is this S3000 number. And with 50 students in the class, I can't remember whose numbers is whose. So that's really helpful for me. Okay, have fun playing.